A defense attorney's remarks about a law clerk this afternoon sparked drama in Trump's trial. The outburst occurred when Trump's lawyer, Christopher Kise, sarcastically told the judge to ask the law clerk first. The judge called Kise a misogynist and threatened to extend Trump's gag order to lawyers. A defense attorney took a harsh verbal swipe at law clerk in Trump's civil case on Thursday, drawing ire of judge, who accused lawyer of misogyny and threatened to gag him and his colleagues. The tantrums, accusations and judicial threats were sparked in Manhattan courtroom by a witty comment from Trump lawyer Christopher Kise, who made routine objection during Eric Trump's afternoon testimony. "Maybe you should ask your law clerk first," Kise said, his voice sarcastic as he addressed New York Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron, the judge in the non-jury trial. Engoron fined Donald Trump twice for similarly attacking attorney Allison Greenfield, who sits 10 feet to the judge's right, frequently communicates with him via notes, and has become the defense's stalking horse. As Eric Trump watched with a blank face from witness stand, the typically affable judge hit metaphorical roof as he heard himself referred to with sarcasm once again. "All joking aside, don't mention my staff again," the judge said angrily. "The person sitting next to me is my chief law clerk," he said, adding that he was there to meet with him on legal matters that came up at the hearing. "I think there might be a little bit of misogyny at times," the judge told Kise. "If you continue to contact my chief law clerk, I will consider extending the gag order to include you and your attorneys." The current gag ban prohibits Trump and the other defendants from making any verbal or online statements attacking the judge's legal staff. "I often feel like I am fighting two enemies," he complained to the judge, meaning the state attorney general's office and Greenfield. "I am sitting here and I have responded to Mr. Amer and their allegations," Kise said, referring Andrew Amer, one of the assistant attorneys general. "But there is someone else sending you information on a different basis," Kise said of Greenfield, who he claimed he saw forwarding 30 notes to the judge the day before. "All I am trying to say is that it looks inappropriate." Trump's second lawyer, Alina Habba, also rushed to Kise's defense. "I have issues with the person sitting on the bench, too," she said. "Like Mr. Kise, I think your position is generally what you are given in grades." The heated debate was superficial in favor of a more concentrated effort by the Attorney General's office. Eric Trump had spent the afternoon defending his sometimes faulty memory under direct scrutiny from Amer, a special counsel to State Attorney General Letitia James. Staying true to his testimony in earlier deposition, Eric Trump repeated on the witness stand Thursday that he was never involved in drafting a decade of annual net worth stat